Wellspring began as an answer to prayer in the North Puget Sound Presbytery. In early 2011, our executive board went away on retreat. Out of that retreat came a clear call to prayer about how to reach and connect with a whole generation with the gospel of Jesus Christ. And as this executive board began to pray about that question, it was no longer than a month to 6 weeks later that we got a call from Eric Un, who said he had been given a vision for reaching a whole new generation of people in the name of Jesus.
When we first started out, the first thing that we did is we created a Thursday night worship night. The whole purpose of it was first to reach kind of the small church, the folks that had been serving there for an extremely long time but didn't have community within themselves. The other good thing about Thursday night was that it got us to a point where we could hear the needs of the folks within this age group or this demographic. The mission and the dynamic of Wellspring started becoming more focused by hearing the needs of this kind of 28 to 36-year-old generation.
I like the model that Eric Un often uses, which is the model of the Jewish Community Center, which is at the center of a community surrounded by synagogues, and the community center takes on a lot of the programs that the synagogues then don't have to take on. And I think that is another focus of Wellspring, in that it tries to be a resource hub for churches.
Wellspring is really great for the church community because Wellspring has a lot of resources. We're composed of young professionals who have a lot of different talents. And so Wellspring gives a good way or a good avenue for those people to be able to use those talents for the good of the Christian community or their church.
One thing that Wellspring's going after right now is we're going after a lot of grants, any grant that we can. And we're trying to create a funding resource in order to equip and engage young adults out there that have a passion to build something to help their community.
I'm really pleased to see Wellspring and Catalyst are beginning to partner. Catalyst began as a worshiping community for young adults. Wellspring provides activities and avenues of service for young adults to deepen their discipleship and their followership of Jesus Christ.
One of the reasons why Catalyst exists is to bring community to the young professionals, especially for those who are maybe searching for a church, maybe they're searching for a reason to spend their Friday night with other Christians. And to be honest with you, because it's all volunteer-based, it's incredible to see people rally behind it. And in the same way, Wellspring has been an incredible partner so far. One way where Wellspring was able to help Catalyst was in January of this year, in 2013. And we were able to use the Wallingford Presbyterian campus to throw an old school Catalyst night. So, you know, we're sitting in these wooden pews, we're having some old school worship, and it was great. And I definitely felt like there were people touched that night. I felt a renewing for the new year, and it was all possible because of Wellspring.
Wellspring works more like an airport than like a destination. It's more like an intersection where people connect to one another, and then they find an avenue to deepen their relationship with the people of God, the Church of Jesus Christ, or in service to the community. So they're more like an intersection than they are like a cul-de-sac. So they're always finding ways to help people make a connection and then find their way, rather than Wellspring being the end point for a person's journey.